Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn and Inspire. In this video, we shall discuss about class 9 chapter 2 polynomials and factorization. So in the previous class, we discussed about the introduction on polynomials and the video link is given in the description. You can check out the video. Now in this video, we learn few problems from exercise 2.1 of chapter 2 polynomials and factorization. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1. So this is the first question. Find the degree of the polynomials given below. So here are the questions from question number 1. So we have to find the degree of the polynomials. So what is this degree of the polynomial? Degree of the polynomial is the highest degree represents the degree of the polynomial. Highest degree in the given polynomial represents a degree of a polynomial. So from the given polynomials, we have to identify the degrees. Okay. So first one, x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. So from this polynomial, which is the highest degree is a 5. So I write here. So degree is equals to, or degree of p of x is equals to 5. So p of x is nothing but polynomial in variable x. So degree of p of x is equals to 5. Second one, x square plus x minus 5. So what is the highest degree? So here 2 is the highest degree. I write a degree is equals to 2. Okay. Next, third one, it is 5. So 5 is given. So 5 is nothing but a constant term. So what is the degree of a constant term? Yes, the degree of a constant term is 0. Degree is equals to 0. Okay. Next one, 3x power 6 plus 6y cube minus 7. What is the highest degree? Degree is 6. So I write degree is equals to 6. Next one, 4 minus y square. So highest degree of a variable is 2. Degree is equals to 2. Sixth one, 5t minus root 3. So what is the highest degree? So here the degree is 1. So we write a degree is equals to 1. Understood? So how to find the degree of the given polynomials? So let's move on to the next question. Next question number 2. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable and which are not? Give reasons for your answer. So given expressions of polynomials are given. So we have to identify which of the expressions are polynomials in one variable. Okay. So which of the polynomial has only one variable, and we have to give reason for the given question. First one is 3x square minus 2x plus 5. So this polynomial has only one variable, that is x. Okay. So we can write this as given expression is a polynomial in one variable. Okay. So given expression is a polynomial in one variable because in this polynomial we have only one variable, that is x. Okay. Second one, x square plus root 2. So how many variables are there in the given polynomial? Only one variable, that is x. Again we can write expression is a polynomial in one variable. Okay. Expression is a polynomial in one variable because here we have only one variable, that is x. Now the third question, p square minus 3p plus q. Is this a polynomial in one variable? No, because here we have two variables, that is p and q. So it is a polynomial with two variables. Okay, it is a polynomial in two variables, but it is not a polynomial in one variable. So I write given expression is not a polynomial in one variable. In one variable. So it involves how many variables? It involves two variables. So what are those variables? P and q. Okay, you can see in this variable we have in this polynomial we have two variables, that is p and q. So we can identify it as a polynomial in two variables. Okay, so next question, y plus 2 by y. Y plus 2 by y, is this a polynomial? So first of all we have to know whether it is a polynomial or not. So y plus 2 by y is not a polynomial because second term contains the variable in the denominator. Okay, so here we have two terms in the second term, so it is containing the variable in the denominator. So from this we can identify that this is not a polynomial, the expression is not a polynomial because the second term of the variable contains in denominator, so it is not a polynomial. So I write expression, given expression is not a polynomial. So we have to write the reason why it is not a polynomial, because second term contains the variable in its denominator. So this is the reason why it is not a polynomial. Understood why it is not a polynomial? Next one, 5 root x plus x root 5. Is this a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial because 5 root x can be written as 5 into x power 1 by 2, because root x value is x power 1 by 2 plus x root 5. Now in the given polynomial, so what is the exponent given? So exponent is 1 by 2, which is not an integer, so it is a rational number. So in the given polynomial, the power should be always a positive integer. Now here you can see it is an rational number, so the expression is not a polynomial. Expression is not a polynomial. Why? Because the first term exponent is not an integer, because first term exponent is not an integer. Understood? So this is question number 2. So I hope you might have understood this question number 2 from the given polynomials, which are polynomials in one variable or not. So next move on to the third one. Third question, write the coefficient of x cube in each of the following. So we have to write the coefficients of x cube. So first one, x cube plus x plus 1. So to find the coefficient of x cube, what is the coefficient? Coefficient is nothing but the constant before the variable. Constant before the variable is called a coefficient. Now here, what is the constant term? What is the constant term before the variable? So here the constant term is 1. Now coefficient of x cube is 1. So I write coefficient of x cube is equals to 1. Understood? The second one, 2 minus x cube plus x square. So what is the constant term before the variable? So here the constant is 1 and we have to represent that sign also. Okay, that is minus 1. Coefficient of x cube is equals to minus 1. Third one, root 2 x cube plus 5. What is the coefficient of x cube? The constant before the variable is root 2. So coefficient of x cube is root 2. Okay, next question number 4, 2x cube plus 5. What is the constant before the variable? Before the variable is 2. So coefficient of x cube is 2. Okay, next, pi by 2 x cube plus x. So what is the constant before the variable? Nothing but pi by 2. Coefficient of x cube is equals to pi by 2. Next one, minus 2 by 3 x cube. So coefficient of x cube is minus 2 by 3. Coefficient of x cube is equals to minus 2 by 3. Next, seventh one, what is the coefficient of x cube? Is there a x cube term in the given polynomial? So there is no x cube term, so we write the coefficient of x cube is equals to 0. So if there is no x cube term, then we write the coefficient of x cube is equals to 0. Next, 4 is a constant, but there is no x cube term, so we write a coefficient of x cube is 0. Okay, so this is question number 3. Next, move on to the fourth one. Question number 4, classify the following as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. So from the given polynomials we have to identify which are linear, quadratic and cubic. So what is a linear polynomial? If the degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is a linear polynomial. If the degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is quadratic, and if the degree of the polynomial is 3, then it is a cubic polynomial. Now from the given polynomials we can identify which are linear, quadratic and cubic. The first one, 5x square plus x minus 7. So what is the degree of the given polynomial? 2. So it is a quadratic polynomial, because the degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is a quadratic. So I write a quadratic polynomial. Second one, x minus x cube. So what is the degree of the polynomial? 3. So if it is 3, then it is a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Third one, x square plus x plus 4. So degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is a quadratic polynomial. Fourth one, x minus 1. So what is the degree of the polynomial? So degree of the polynomial is 1. So if it is 1, we can say it is a linear polynomial. Fifth one, 3p. So here power is 1. If the degree of the polynomial is 1, then it is a linear polynomial. Pi r square. So degree of the polynomial is 2. If it is 2, then it is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. So understood? So from the given polynomials we have to identify which are linear, quadratic and cubic. So based on the degrees we can identify which are linear, quadratic and cubic. So this is question number 4. Next, move on to the fifth one. Question number 5. Write whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. First one, a binomial can have at most 2 terms. Is it true or false? So a binomial has how many terms? Binomial is nothing but an expression with 2 terms. It's called a binomial. So here a binomial can have at most 2 terms. So which is a true. Okay. Second one, every polynomial is a binomial. So every polynomial is a binomial. Binomial is nothing but 2 terms. Not all the polynomials has a 2 terms. Okay, it may have a 1 term, 2 term, 3 terms or 4 terms, so on. But not every polynomial has a 2 terms. Okay, so its statement says false. Third one, a binomial may have degree 3. A binomial may have degree 3. So binomial is nothing but 2 terms. In that 2 terms, so a degree may be 3 or 4 or 5. Any degree we can take as a binomial. So it is a true. Okay. Next one, degree of 0 polynomial is 0. So it is a false. So degree of 0 polynomial is 0. So it is false. Next one, degree of x square plus 2xy plus y square is 2. What is the highest degree here? Highest degree is a 2. So it is a true. Okay. So the last one, sixth one is given as pi r square. pi r square is a monomial. Pi r square is a monomial. Monomial is having one term. So here pi r square is only a single term, so it is true. So that is question number 6. Okay, so these are the questions from 5 and the last question, 6th one. Next question number 6. Give one example each of a monomial and trinomial of degree 10. So monomial is nothing but an expression with one term is called monomial. Trinomial is nothing but an expression with the 3 terms. So now we have to form an polynomial with a degree 10 having one term and 3 terms. Okay, so we can take one example with a degree 10. So I write 7x power 10. So 7x power 10 is a single term which is a monomial of degree 10. So is a monomial of a degree 10. Okay, now we write one more example with the trinomial of degree 10. Trinomial is nothing but 3 terms. Now we take 3 terms with the degree 10. So I write 3y power 10 plus 7y minus 8 is a trinomial of a degree 10. So 3y power 10 plus 7y minus 8 is a trinomial of degree 10. So you can see here we have 3 terms. 3y power 10 is one term, 7y is a second term, and minus 8 is a third term. And what is the degree of this polynomial? So degree of the polynomial is 10. Understood? So these are the questions from exercise 2.1. So in the next class we solve the problems from exercise 2.2. Before that, if you have any doubts, and you can message me in the comment box. And if you like the video, please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.